So, in this video, we're going to unlock the full potential of your face mask, all the tips and advice you need to get the full potential off of your facial mask in order for your products to penetrate and work amazingly on your skin. Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. So happy you're back. And if you're new here, I like making beauty videos such as skincare, some minimal makeup, and I also do philosophical videos if you're into that as well. But I hope you like my vibe and maybe subscribe to my channel. Anyways, let's get into the video. So the first step will be to start with clean skin. Wash your face with a gentle cleanser to remove any makeup, dirt, and excess oils. This ensures that the mask can penetrate your skin effectively. And the most gentle way to wash your face effectively will be to double cleanse. So you will use an oil-based cleanser and a water-based cleanser to get the most dirt out of your skin effectively. And I'm also gonna go in with micellar water to make sure that all the makeup is gone, since I used makeup before washing my face in this video. And this will ensure that everything is gone. But you can see on my cotton pad that is pretty clean, so the double cleansing did a good job already. So my second step will be to detox my skin, and I will do that by using a detox mask. So it is important to use a facial mask that is suitable for your specific need. So in this case, I want to really clean my face since I used heavy makeup, and this is why I'm going to detox my skin, and by that I'll be using a detox mask. So I'm going to mix an Aztec clay mask with my charcoal mask, and this will help to detox my mask. And make sure to follow the instructions on your facial mask. So step 3, as I mentioned before, follow the instructions of your face mask. It's important that you read and follow the manufacturer's instructions on how to apply and use the face mask to get the most effective effects of your facial mask. Different masks have different recommendations and different recommended usage times, so pay attention to these guidelines. So apply the mask evenly to your face, avoiding the eye area and lips since they are the sensitive areas. You can use a brush or your fingers like I'm doing here, depending on the type of mask or how you feel in that day. Sometimes I want to be bougie and I might use a brush, but today I just want to go in with my fingers. So here I'm trying to explain that I'll be washing my face after circa 10 minutes and I'll be back. But there's a really important information that I have to share with you guys, and that is never ever, and I repeat, never ever leave your clay mask or charcoal mask until it dries on your skin. This will dehydrate your skin even more and remove all your excessive oil. Especially if you have dry skin, don't do that. I have done this before. I used to make this mistake before, and it used to really dry out my skin. I used to not understand why my skin feels so dry after these masks. But you have to wash it off when it's still wet, and this will make sure that it doesn't remove all of your oils on your skin.
A few minutes later.
So step 5 will be to use a hydrating mask. So I love using hydrating mask after I have used a clay mask, and the hydrating masks are usually formulated to provide extra moisture to dry or dehydrated skin. They often contain ingredients like hyaluronic acid and glycerin. This will ensure that it will get hydrated and it will put back the hydration that was lost during the clay masks. And yeah, it feels like your skin is drinking water. But first, I will start with prepping my skin for my hydrating mask, and I'll do that by using this toner that you just saw me using. So it's a toner mist, and then before that I would exfoliate my skin. So I'm using an exfoliating toner, and sorry you guys, my light just turned off, which is why I had to, my camera stopped here. So like I mentioned before, it is good if you prep your skin for your hydrating mask to get the full benefit from your hydrating mask. And first, I won't just put it on my dry skin. I'll first like make sure my skin is hydrated. So I'll use a hydrating toner, like a toner mist, like I did before, and then I will exfoliate my skin so it could penetrate into my pores even better. So by that, I'm using this toner, exfoliating toner. So my hydrating mask choice of today would be a sheet mask, which are usually pre-soaked sheets made of fabrics or hydrogel that are designed to adhere to your face. They are pretty easy. To me, they're not that easy to use, but they usually, not that complicated to use. And they come in various formulations for different skin types and concerns. And our concern today is hydration. So as you can see here, I'm trying to get the most out of my sheet mask so you can apply the extra moisture on your neck, décolletage, and your hands. Make sure to not waste anything. So the seventh step would be to wait and relax. You can wait and relax in different types of ways, but I like to use a facial massager to make sure that it penetrates even more into the skin. And the facial massager doesn't just make sure that everything gets into your skin, but it has multiple other benefits such as improved circulation. Facial massager can stimulate blood flow to the face, which may help nourish the skin and promote a healthy radiant complexion. It also helps with the lymphatic drainage, so a gentle massaging can assist in lymphatic drainage, reducing puffiness and swelling in the face by removing excess fluid and toxins. So I'm just pressing all the ingredients into my skin, and I'm using everything that's left in the sheet so you could get in there. So step 8 will be to do your skincare routine. So I advise you to do your skincare routine right after your mask routine. So all these mask steps that we just did would help all your skincare to penetrate into your skin even better. So I advise you to do this routine maybe like once a week or once per 2 weeks. Or even maybe once a month if you have dry skin and don't need to do the clay mask every week. That's what I do sometimes. But when it's summertime, I like to do it like every once a week since I have more oil on my skin. So as you can see, I just applied oil on my skin and I'm going in with a second tool, massage facial tool. And massage tools can also help with enhanced product absorption, which is why I'm using it here. So using a facial massager before applying or after applying your skincare products may help them penetrate to the skin more effectively, maximizing their benefits. It also helps with muscle toning. Some facial massagers, that's like this one, claim to help tone and firm facial muscles, potentially reducing the appearance of sagging skin. It also helps with relaxation and stress reduction. Massaging the face can help relieve tension and promote relaxation, which can have a calming effect on the mind and body. It's also skin detoxification. So massaging the face can promote the elimination of toxins and impurities of the skin. So after I'm done with that, I go in with my moisturizer to complete my skincare routine. So I'm just getting this into my skin. So do you guys have a facial mask routine? Let me know in the comments what steps you go by when you do your facial masks. And I hope this was helpful for you guys if you needed some tips and tricks. But here I'm going in with a sleeping mask. I like doing that so I can get some extra benefits, skincare benefits into my skin before I go to bed. And remember, you guys, do this like a few hours before you go to bed so your pillow don't soak up all your skincare and so you can get all the benefits from your skincare. So this completes my facial mask routine, and I hope it was helpful for you in any way. And if it was, please give me a thumbs up. It'll be very, very helpful for my channel. And please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet. I'm trying to reach 1,000 this year, if not 1,000, maybe 500. Please, it will be very, very helpful, and I'll be very, very appreciative. And if you like this video, you probably like these videos as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good night. Bye.